If you're facing a Godaddy login error and can't access your account, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the most effective ways to fix the Godaddy login error quickly and safely. Whether you're seeing an incorrect password message, not receiving verification codes, or the page just keeps refreshing, these solutions will help you get back into your account. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. Step 1 is to make sure you're typing the correct email address or username. This might sound obvious, but it's one of the most common causes of logging errors. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Now carefully re-enter your email address or username slowly. Double-check for spelling mistakes, missing letters, or accidental spaces at the beginning or end. Also make sure your caps lock key is turned off. After carefully retyping your details, enter your password and try logging in again. If you're still unable to sign in, the next step is to reset your password. On the login page, click on Forgot Password. Enter the email address associated with your Godaddy account and submit the request. Godaddy will send you a password reset link to your email inbox. Open your email and look for the reset message. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the reset link and create a new, strong password. Make sure it includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Once you've created your new password, return to the Godaddy login page and try signing in again with the updated credentials. If your password is correct, but you're stuck on verification, then the issue might be related to two-step verification. Godaddy often requires a security code sent via SMS, authenticator app, or email. Make sure you have access to the device or app linked to your account. Enter the security code exactly as shown without extra spaces. If the code fails or expires, click on Try Another Way to receive the code through a different method. Sometimes delays in SMS delivery can cause issues, so using an authenticator app can be faster and more reliable. Another common fix for the Godaddy login error is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated or corrupted cache files prevent the login page from functioning properly. Open your browser settings and navigate to Privacy or History. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select Cache and Cookies, then confirm the action. After clearing them, completely close your browser. Reopen it, go back to godaddy.com and attempt to log in again. This simple step often resolves unexpected login glitches. If you're still experiencing issues, try using a different browser or device. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Alternatively, try logging in from your mobile phone instead of your computer, or vice versa. This helps determine whether the issue is device-specific. Sometimes browser extensions, ad blockers, or outdated software can interfere with the login process. As an extra tip, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the login request and trigger errors. Restarting your router can also help refresh your connection. So to quickly recap, first, double-check your email and password for typing errors. Second, reset your password if needed. Third, verify your two-step authentication method. Fourth, clear your browser cache and cookies. And finally, try another browser or device. One of these steps will usually fix the Godaddy login error. If this video helps you fix your Godaddy login problem, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.